girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I will be reviewing this product right here. Soft and curly. This smells really good. I like how it smells. I've not used it yet. This is my first time using it. Just got this a few days ago, so we're gonna see how this thing turns out. Let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, about to open this thing up. It smells pretty good. I just washed my hair, so this thing be looking so this what I'm about to do. I'm gonna split this up into two parts and put it on there like that. It's kind of like a gel type. Like, I know it's not gel, but that's like the consistency of it. And it's clear. Alright, it looked pretty good right now. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. It might take a little bit since it was fully wet. So I'll give it like 2 hours, maybe 1.5. I don't know, but I'll be right back, y'all. So this is the final product. I like it. That shrinkage still, it's still like a little bit wet, but for the most part it's pretty dry.